Good morning, all. Last week I talked about we all must become a Purohita. This body is called as a Pura. Pura, Hita means we should do what is good for Sharira. Sharira means Shiryate iti Sharira. What gives the protection to us is called Sharira. We have to do our best to look after this body and mind and the soul. When we do that one, invest time onto ourselves, look after this Pura. What we do good to this body, we become a Purohita. In this body has Navadvara Pure Dehi, a body with 9 gates. 9 gates are there. 2 eyes, 2 ears, mouth, 2 nostrils and 2 lower apertures, 9 gates. The 10th gate is the navel. It is closed when the baby is born, and the 11th gate is the point of entry. The soul entered through the body, through the crown center, and ideally you have to go through the yogi aspires to go through the same path where the soul has entered. Like in the office, if you go to the exit through the some other gate, they say wrong gate, go back to your original gate. Unless this life is nothing but continuous effort trying to get out, but the other 9 gates are so strong, it will the soul misses the exit, and it misses the exit, and ideally it has to goes through the other gates. The Gheranda Samhita talks about the how to look after your gates. You have to keep the gates in order so that you know when to open the gate and when to close the gate. The Gheranda Samhita and Hatha Yoga Pradipika run in parallel. Hatha Yoga Pradipika has 389 verses, whereas the Gheranda Samhita 351 verses. The concept is similar, but Gheranda Samhita introduces a concept of the Shatkarma Kriyas, that is the missing link in Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Patanjali doesn't, it's a missing piece. That missing piece is filled here. Shatkarma Kriyas, how to look after the body. You have to look after the body. Patanjali in Hatha Yoga as well as Gheranda Samhita talks about the Shatkarma Kriyas. It is more exhaustively in Gheranda Samhita. Talks with the 7 ways of sadhana. Gheranda Samhita, it's about a 350-year-old text by discussion between the teacher and the taught. The teacher Gheranda, the student is Chandakapali. The discussion between them recorded in 351 verses. The Dauti, Shatkarma Kriyas, it talks about Shatkarma Kriyas. Then the second one is Asana, then Pratyahara, Asana, Mudra, Pratyahara, Pranayama. Then it comes Dhyana and Samadhi. 7 levels in the body. Shatkarma Kriyas, 6 ways of cleaning. He talks about Dauti Kriya, then Basti Kriya, Nauli Kriya, Trataka, Kapalabhati, and we covered Dauti, Basti, Nauli, then Trataka, then what is that, another one? Kapalabhati, and Trataka. It's Shatkar, it's 6 ways of cleaning. Sorry? Neti. Neti part, 6 ways of cleaning. And Dauti Kriya is divided into 4 parts. Dauti means washing. He talks about one is Antar Dauti, second one is called as Danta Dauti, then third one he calls it as the Hrid Dauti, and the fourth one he talks it as Mula Shodhanam. The 4 ways of cleaning. His 9 gates, he covers in this process all 9 gates, how to maintain he covers. One is the Antar Dauti, the how to cleanse the body. The when impurities build up in the body, why we have to cleanse? I may put up, take 3 times a shower, but inside cleansing is very important. I don't know, in medical science they talk about this type of cleansing this exhaustively. It talks about when the toxin starts building up, body becomes sluggish, lethargy. It's resulting in various ailments. Why I am falling sick often? Why there is no energy in my body? And the purpose of this life, you should get divine body. We have to get the divine-like body, so energetic. I may be, the body is getting old, but there is no sign of old age in the body. How to get that one? You should get a divine body, cleanse this one. Start cleansing. You start getting a divine body, so energetic. The difference between the humans and divine, humans, we are exhausted. No energy, motivation, whatever we say, sorry, I'm not interested. Sorry, I'm not interested. Divine beings, the difference, so energetic. Any positive thing, I want to grab it. I want any positive, and it's to get the divine body. One is Antar Dauti. Antar Dauti, he talks about Vatasara. Vatasara, he talks about draw the air through your mouth, like suck the air through your, make your lips like a beak and suck the air, slow sucking through, take it deep within and release the air through your nostrils. It a couple of days back, who's that one student, Manikar had a asthma attack. I asked him to do. He said he's feeling better now. That slow inhale, it aerates the body, helps in releasing the toxins. Releasing the toxins. One is Vatasara. Second is called as Varisara. Vari means water. You have to, one is cleanse the body if you are tired, exhausted. For example, you draw the air slowly through your mouth, you start experiencing abundance of energy. Sluggishness goes. The Varisara, Vari means water. You cleanse early morning before brushing the teeth also. You sit, squat and drink 1 or 2 glasses of water before brushing the teeth. You brush before brushing, squat and drink, and that is called as Ushapani. Ushapani before you drink, and after a few minutes, maybe after that you can brush your teeth and go to toilet. The bowel movement, people with constipation problem, they find this one beneficial and flushes your, the water comes out easily. People with constipation problem, people say I can't go to toilet in the morning, and because of the constipation, you try this one Ushapana. Early morning 2 glasses, need not be warm, the cold water also is fine. You drink that one, or if you can't take cold water, you keep the water overnight in a copper vessel, and a couple of glasses you drink before brushing, and your system is well drained. well drained. I told back in India also that in Gurukul, the principal, and he said he had constipation problem. When I suggested, he said, I don't take anything before I finish my morning prayer. I don't take. I said, you are not taking, you are flushing it out. You are not taking. Holding means you are taking. You are flushing it out, and his problem is resolved through the Varisara. Varisara, thoroughly. And the third one is called as Vanhi Sara or Agnisara. Agnisara, we have been doing that one after emptying your bowel on an empty stomach. Pull the stomach in and out for 100 times without breathing. It flares up the fire in the body, digestion increases, eyesight increases, glow in the face increases, increases. And the fourth one is called as Bahishkrita Sara. What you do, we in the Western system of the toilet also, we use toilet paper. Rectal region is not cleaned. We think we are modern, we are using the toilet paper. It is how to, our rectal region is not cleansed. Because of that one, various ailments, energy becomes very low. Apana Vayu is not flowing properly. Constipation problem, piles problem, dull body, and our metabolism reduces, glow in the face reduces. It talks about how to do Bahishkrita. You fill that bathtub with water. You squat there, and you try to suck the air through the lower apertures. Try to suck the air, suck the water through the lower apertures, and water starts entering through the rectal region and lower apertures. And with your fingers, put your fingers in the rectal region thoroughly open. People with the constipation problem, piles problem, and that cleansing part is a vital for a good health. We only when you squat, sit, your rectal muscles opens up. Even the Western type of toilet system, your rectal muscle is not fully open. Rectal muscle, large intestine, it's not strong. It's not straight. When you squat in with the water, the rectal muscles become straight. Your rectal region opens up, allowing the apana to flow well, and keeps the health in the body increases. Divine like body, how to get that one? Divine like body. I am very sluggish, very lazy. How to enable this one? These things got to be taught children when they are still small, and in mindful mastery, these techniques got to be taught. These techniques got to be taught. And what is about Hriddauti and the other Dauti, the next one I talked about Mula Shodhanam, Jihva Dauti, how to look after your Danta Dauti, Hrid Dauti, and the Mula Shodhanam I will cover in the coming classes. This term we are focusing on how to get the divine like body. The texts are covering, and if this part, if it is not covered in the medical schooling system, maybe this is a missing piece in their curriculum.